this being the front and this being the back. So what we're going to do, we're going to click up here and we're going to hit hide, okay? Now we are going to start to design our book. Keep in mind, this is a tutorial, so you guys, you will design your book however you like. This is just for demonstration purposes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a template for my book that I'm designing. Keep in mind, you guys can actually upload your own template. You can also have it designed, like if you have a designer, which you can find those people like on Fiverr or Upwork, and you can have them design you different images if that's what you like. But for the sake of the video, I'm going to use these images. And as you guys can see, I'm going to drag that image on up. And then I'm going to upload the image for the back of my book, which I'm going to use a cross